Manage the gigil.
Di ko nga alam kung sino eh, pero narinig ko yun
Michelle,
eh.
Oo. Yung gigil na pwedeng tapusin, ha?
Oo, but coming from that timeout,
It's a net fault.
there was a net fault, but it's called on
Cherry Tigo.
on Cherry Tigo.
Ang claim ng Cherry Tigo, nauna si Pangs.
There's a challenge on the call by Cherry Tigo for net ball.
So let's see. Crucial to, ha? Kasi pag nanalo Cherry Tigo dito sa challenge na to, they will only be down by 1 now. They're down by 4. I think it was between Seth and Pangs, if I'm not mistaken.
It was a long running set for Banks.
Tapos na pinapatay ng maraming sets ni Pangs. This is a crucial one. Either back to 3 or down to 1. And the coaching staff of Cherry Tigo looked confident that they were correct. Having Marani there. The instructions, the captain of course, the instructions to Shaya Terodoro. Their defensive setup. Challenge taking a while. All right, let's look at this. Who hit the net first? It was Pangs.
So I think this will be a
Successful challenge.
successful, good challenge.
Which means this lead is down to 1. Oh, unsuccessful challenge. Oh, wait. Even Coach Norman Miguel is a little confused.
Nasa labas. Walang fault yun. Paano magkaka-fault nasa labas yun? Ang tanong doon kung na-net tong Cherry Tigo. Hindi pa naman kanya.
Outside.
Oo, si Cherry Tigo ang tumagal.
Ang net, tumama si Panada, dumikit ang net sa...
Maya,
Dumikit siya net sa...
intindihin mo ko. Ang hinahabol nila, ang tinouch net, sila. Nakuha mo ako? Cherry Tigo ang na-touch net. O kaya yun ang ipoprove natin. Ano ba yun?
First referee, Bobby Celso. Papakamot na ng trying to explain to our technical officials here.
Hindi naiintindihan eh. Ang touch net,
Susunod.
hinahabol nila, sila ang na-touch net kasi. Eh, ang inaano niya, yung kay Panada, kaya ini-recall ko. Kaya i-ano sila.
Net fault is unsuccessful pa rin. Kasi yung pagtama ni Panada sa net, yun yung tumama kay Ilan. Kaya, di unsuccessful. Kaya nga, unsuccessful na ako. Unsuccessful.
Di ba't magiging yes?
Kasi tumama yung... Pero...
Hindi magiging yes. Unsuccessful.
Pero no.
Oo, no ang lalabas.
Abby asking for a replay of the point. So what referee Bobby Celso is, or sorry, our technical official, the representative is saying that na unsuccessful yung tawag nila. Or tama, yung si Cherry.
Di ba? Sino?
Nagde-discuss pa sila.
Oh, di ba tapos? Di ba tapos?
Wala po dito!
Pakita
Coach,
niyo
wala
nga
to
eh.
bago ito. Coach, makinig ka ba?
Ang hinahabol nyo, na tumawag kasi siya ng touch net nyo. Yung second referee tumawag ng touch net nyo. Yung ipoprove natin ngayon na siya, tumama nga siya ng touch net. Kasi si Panada sa labas ng net tumama. Ayun nga eh.
I-replay nyo, i-replay nyo.
So best to wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dahil may mga iba't ibang version.
Correct.
So we'll see or let's wait kung ano yung madidiscuss nila after.
Hindi. Hindi, ang challenge nila na sila yung nanet eh. Hindi, si Sir Jeff.
I think what, okay, so here. So it's an unsuccessful challenge by Cherry Tigo, which Coach Norman Miguel and Coach Kung Fu are still in disagreement with.
Sandali ah. Di ko mag-decide. Di kasi ako nakatingin doon eh.
Yeah, and Bobby Celso cannot decide that on his own, obviously.
Sir, patawag mo daw yung second ref.
Halika.
So they're gonna call
Coach, pinapaliwanag ko yung ayaw
Fernando.
tanggapin eh. Kaya,
Let's listen.
ako communicate lang naman.
Ikaw lumapit doon.
Ikaw lumapit.
Sabihin mo, anong tinawag mo?
Coach, nag-guess ko yung ibig niyo sabihin kasi ang nangyari. Ang tinawagan ni Coach ay Cherry Tigo, di ba?
Oo.
Kaya ang nangyari doon,
Ang china-challenge nila,
Yung-
kung tumama
Oo.
sila sa net. Bakit natin papupuntahin
Kaya nga,
doon
kaya
sa
nga.
kabila? Eh, ito ang ipoprove natin.
kaya nga, naiintindihan ko yun.
Ayaw nang nakita sa punto.
Sino nga na net touch?
Sila.
Oo.
Ay panaga, sa labas na.
O, di pakita yun.
Dapat ipakita. Pakita nyo na lang sa labas.
Pakita nyo na. Pakita nyo. Ayaw lang na net. Kung sino yung na net.
Dapat ipakita.
Andito na yung bola!
So we're waiting for the decision here. The call was against Cherry Tigo.
White shot.
That was the original call. I saw the second referee go to the side of Cherry Tigo when he made the call, which is also a sign, di ba, na he's calling it on Cherry Tigo. So Cherry Tigo challenged that. That's the, no? So it was not Seth Rodriguez, it was Peña Fiel rather, on this side. So it was on the opposite side of Bobby Celso, as you can see.
But this angle is not that clear.
Tough stuff. But yeah, the net move though, also, we just don't know who caused it. And Abby's asking for another angle. Again, a very crucial point, partner, because this either is going to be a 1-point deficit for Cherry or a 3-point lead for Creamline.
That's why they're really fighting for this point. And
Here comes the
Coach,
technical.
kayo na mag-decide, Coach. Kasi ang sabi ni Sir, kayo na mag-decide. Kung ano.
Paano kayo magdi-decide? Eh,
Ayun nga.
na-net siya eh.
Hindi, kasi ako, ang tingin ko kasi, Coach, na-net si Cherry dahil kay Panaga. So, wala siyang violation. Ang sa akin, yung parehas tayo na. Kaya lang ang gusto ni...
Ibalik mo yung kay Panada.
Panada.
Ako magja-challenge kayo. Balik mo yung kay Panada. Tingnan lang natin yung buong action. Hanggang kay Panada. Nagka-challenge ako.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's a referee's challenge.
So now it has evolved into a referee's challenge now. So it will be Bobby Celso who will
decide.
break this tie. So that means they're going to look at, he wants to look at a particular angle, and then he will call it from here.
Ang tingin ko kasi sa akin, Sir, tumama si Panaga sa labas. Kaya namin si...
Yun nga.
Kaya nga
Yun
dapat
yung
walang goal.
ipoprove
Kaya
natin.
tama, parehas tayo rin. Sige, ayaw lang naman. Desisyon naman ako. Sabi rin naman din.
Hindi, gusto ko makita muna yun.
Bobby Celso asking for, he wants to see it. So I suppose they do have a big screen also there in the arena.
Yeah, they want to make sure na si Pangs tumama sa net but outside na or beyond the
Outside.
antenna. That's the angle that they're looking for now.
Long pause here, and again, you know, very important point.
Kasi ganito yun, coach. Gumito yung second referee na sinantas. Ngayon, puprove nila ngayon na hindi na-touch si player nila. Nalilito nga ako eh.
Coach, ipapakita daw yung video, kayo na mag-decide.
Sige.
Okay, so here we go.
Ako na, coach. Ako na.
Sherwin also talking to Bobby. Now Bobby's going to look at the big screen there at the arena, and he will decide this one now. It will be on Bobby Celso this time, who's been under the gun a couple of times already for like these long calls, these testy challenges. So tama yung sinasabi nga ni Paneng, yung explanation ni Paneng na yung unang touch ni Pangs Panaga was sa labas na.
Beyond the antenna, so out of play na yun.
Yeah. At least that's what we're seeing, di ba, in that replay. That caused the net to touch Peñafiel.
Who went for the block. Siya lang yung tumalon dun eh. But
Here.
now, let's see this.
So it will be up to Bobby Celso now. So that's beyond the antenna.
Yeah, that's beyond the antenna.
Which is also what our technical representative was saying. My apologies, I don't have his name right now, but that's what he was also saying. So,
Explain ko sa'yo.
here comes the
Kaya siya
explanation.
na net dahil naurong. Hindi pwede maging dead ball, may inside eh. Interference yung nangyari sa kanya. In-interfere niya yung net para tumama siya. Hindi kahit sa labas. Umurong yung net eh. Umurong yung net eh. Hindi touch eh. Interference yung lumabas. Umurong yung net. Hindi. Umurong yung net, natamaan, inside yung bola. So, walang ano yun. Hindi magiging dead ball, coach. Hindi magiging dead ball, coach. Inside nga eh. Inside na nga, coach. Kaya ulitin ko. Ulitin ko, coach. Ulitin ko, coach.
Coach, pinapatanong ni Sergio bakit puntos daw. Kung may puntos...
Kasi interference eh. Pag ano ni Panada, pag tama ni Panada, umurong yung net. Tinamaan niya yung Chico. Eh, inside eh. Di ba? Yun na yun.
It's very rare that we see Coach Sherwin really fired up like this. And one team will really be unhappy with this decision talaga.
Ulitin ko.
Medyo matagal na yung
Interference
lull
coach eh.
natin.
Alam ko, kahit hindi naman sinasadya eh. Umurong yung net, tinamaan niya, na-net siya, pero napalo naman eh, di ba? Pagpalo, tsaka na-net.
Coach, okay na daw po. Okay na daw po. Ano okay na?
So the decision is final. It looks like everybody's all in agreement. The technical table, Bobby Celso, of course, the side of Creamline is not in agreement with
Pinalo
this.
nila yung bola.
Again, rare to see Coach Sherwin like this.
Sandali.
Yeah, because they're saying, why award the point?
Yes,
Why not
gusto
just
nila replay.
replay?
So Bobby Celso comes down. Now, obviously, myself and Paneng here, we're not interrupting the conversations because you'd rather hear that because they're there on the court. They're trying to sort it all out. One side airing the complaint, the other side giving the explanation. Coach Norman was asking for it earlier. Now it's the side of Coach Sherwin. Coach Kung Fu is also there, and Bobby is back at his porch. So they're going to replay. So they have finally, and Cherry Tico's not going to be happy about this.
Ang pumalo si Panada. Si Panada ang pumalo. Yun nga, kayo nag-challenge. Ang tinawag niya kasi sa inyo, touch net.
Ladies and gentlemen, after the review, Panaya hit the post, which cost the net and it paid a fail. Afterwards, there's no net ball on
Kasi
Cherry
ganito,
Tico
makinig
or
ka.
Creamline,
Hindi
and we
touch
will
net si
replay it.
Panada. Bakit? Nasa labas siya. Nakuha nyo? Ang tinawag ni referee, kayong touch net. Yun nga. Kaya nga, siya ang tumawag, mali niya, i-recall natin. Umaandar pa yung bola, pinanood ko. Walang net si Panada eh. Walang net eh. Nasa labas siya. Pinanood na namin. Hindi tayo matatapos, coach. Alive pa yung bola eh.
So replay the point is, well, until anything changes, is the final call. Which means if it's replay the point,
Walang score.
Creamline will still have a 2-point lead, if I'm not mistaken.
Sa tagal ng LOL, hindi
Yes.
natin alam kung ano ba yung last point.
Ikaw mag-serve.
Is it
In addition,
18-16?
Cherry Tico did not lose their challenge.